Are you looking for a townhome in the Littleton, Colorado area? Well, look no further, I found it for you. Hello everybody, I'm David Novak with David Novak Homes and RE/MAX Professionals. And today we're at my new listing at 12765 W Brittany Drive in Littleton. And we have a 4-bed, 4 full bath townhome. It's an in-unit. It's located within walking distance to Hind Lake and Park. It's minutes to 470. Red Rocks is right down the highway. And like I said, close to shops and restaurants. So if you're in the market for a townhome in the Littleton, Colorado area, with also a 2-car attached garage, let's go check this listing out right now. As you walk into this great townhome, check out the wide open living area. This great townhome in an amazing location features 4 beds with 4 full baths. And right down the hall we have the main floor master, which is a huge thing to have in the area. And in this master bedroom, it comes equipped with a 5-piece master bath with a huge walk-in closet. Entertain your guests in the large kitchen here, equipped with a breakfast bar and a dining area. This townhome not only has a main floor master, it also has an additional bedroom with its own separate full bath. Come check out the loft and check out the office area, which you could make your own office space up here. We do have another full bath right here. We have an additional bedroom right here. And over here, we have the 4th bedroom, which also comes with its own full bath, giving this place, again, 4 full baths. So if you'd like more information on this great listing or any other ones, feel free to reach out to me today. I'm David Novak with David Novak Homes and RE/MAX Professionals, and I hope you all have a great day.